Hi, this is Adriana, and today I'm going to talk about a little bit about Forex. If you've never heard of it, or if you have heard of Forex but you have no idea what it is about, Forex is foreign exchange, also known as FX, and is the process of changing one currency into another currency for a variety of reasons, usually for commerce, trading. According to the recent a report from Bank for International Settlements, which is a global bank for national central banks, the average was more than 5.1 trillion in daily Forex trading volume. So, as I said, the foreign exchange known as FX or Forex, the market is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies against one another. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, the commerce and finance, Forex markets tend to be the largest and most liquid asset markets in the world. So the currency trade against each other as exchange rate pairs, for instance, the euros with the US dollar, or the euros with the Japanese yen, or the British pound with the dollar. So the foreign exchange market is where currencies are traded. The currencies are important to most people around the world, whether we realize it or not, because currencies need to be exchanged in order to conduct foreign trade and businesses. So if we're living here in the United States and we want to buy, let's say, cheese or wine in France, then either us or the company that we're buying from, they have to pay them, they have to exchange the dollars for the euros in order to pay them. And the same goes with traveling. When you go to another country, you usually exchange your US dollars for the currency of that country. So one unique aspect of this international market is that there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically, which is, they call it OTC, over the counter, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world rather than one centralized exchange. So the market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, and currencies are traded worldwide in major financial centers of London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, Sydney, so across almost every time zone. And this means that when trading day in the US ends, the Forex market begins anew. It starts in Tokyo or Hong Kong, and so the Forex market can be extremely active any time of the day with the quotes, the prices, they are continually changing. The commercial and investment banks conduct most of the trading in the Forex markets on behalf of their clients. But there are also opportunities for trading one currency against another for professional and investors, individual investors. So if you would like to learn more on how to trade, just go to the link below and you'll find the description in there. And also remember, if you have a product to sell or a business to promote, just go to the description down below and follow the link, and you can create your own business. This is the best time to start your own business and acquire other streams of income. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.